If Outlook keeps sending legitimate emails to junk, you're not alone, and the good news is that there are a few simple ways to fix it. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Outlook from filtering important emails, how to train the junk filter, and how to make sure trusted senders keep landing in your inbox instead of spam. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Outlook and go to your junk email folder. Find one of the legitimate emails that was incorrectly filtered and open it. At the top of the message, look for the option that says Not Junk. When you click that, Outlook will move the email back to your inbox and start learning that messages from this sender should not be treated as spam. If you see the option to always trust or never block that sender, use it whenever available, because this helps train the filter even faster. Next, let's add trusted senders to the safe senders list. In Outlook, go to Settings, then click Mail, and then select Junk Email. Here, you'll see options for safe senders and safe domains. Add the email address of the sender you trust, or if you want to allow all email from a company, add their domain instead. For example, adding the full domain can help prevent future emails from that organization from being filtered as junk. This is especially useful for newsletters, clients, billing systems, and important business contacts. Now let's adjust the junk filter level. In the same junk email settings, set the filter to low if it's currently too aggressive. A higher filter level can catch more spam, but it can also block messages you actually want. Setting it to low gives Outlook a little less sensitivity, which can reduce false positives without turning off protection completely. After changing it, save the settings and give Outlook a little time to apply the update. If certain emails are still being moved to junk, you can create a rule to force them into your inbox. Go to Rules or Manage Rules, then create a new rule based on the sender's email address or domain. Set the action to move the message to the inbox or mark it as not junk. This is a great option when you receive important automated emails from the same sender every time because it gives you more control than the automatic filter alone. You should also check whether the sender is in your blocked senders list. In the junk email settings, review blocked addresses and remove anything that should be trusted. Sometimes a sender may have been blocked by mistake, and that can keep their emails from ever showing up properly. Cleaning up that list can make a big difference. Another helpful tip is to make sure the sender's contact information is saved correctly. If the email comes from a person or company you trust, add them to your contacts as well as your safe senders list. Outlook tends to be more reliable when it recognizes both the address and the contact details. The key thing to remember is that Outlook learns from your actions. When you mark emails as not junk, add senders to the safe senders list, and lower the filter sensitivity, you're teaching Outlook what should stay in your inbox. Over time, this can dramatically reduce the number of legitimate emails that get misclassified. If this tutorial helped you fix Outlook junk filtering, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.